Hi, this is Rick Stewart from Stewart's Lawn Service Company. I'm making this short video to explain how our drought control treatment works. When Utah is experiencing very high heat and drought conditions, we replace our standard midsummer treatment with a drought control application. With this treatment, your lawn will use at least 25% less water than it would without it. The drought control treatment is a mix of several water-saving and turf-building features that will help your lawn survive the drought. First, let's start with our water-saving features. We apply what is called a wetting agent or a soil surfactant. This treatment is commonly used on golf courses all over the country to save water. I've included a short video clip that will give you a visual idea of how it works. We apply a wetting agent that sits in the soil and it helps water to penetrate quickly, spread evenly, and cling to the roots without running off. You can see in this video clip how it works. This treatment alone can reduce your watering by 25%. In some soil conditions, it reduces water by as much as 50%. Next, we add humates to the mix. Humates are a biological microbe that act as a natural wetting agent. They pull water to the root zone and they help your lawn process nutrition more efficiently with less water. With the humates, we add sea kelp. This gives your lawn some easily digestible nutrition for the humates to work with. At Stewart's, we mix our own fertilizer. So now we add our drought control fertilizer mix. This mix focuses primarily on root development without adding top growth. Fast-growing lawns require more water. Lawns in drought conditions need tougher roots to survive. This application provides that. Finally, we have weeds and insects. In drought conditions, when your lawn has less water, you're going to see more weeds and you're going to have more insect problems. With this treatment, we'll make sure we take care of those for you. Our technicians will be on the lookout and we'll get you taken care of. So these are the basics of our drought control treatment. The one thing you don't want to do is just let your lawn go. If you stop watering completely, if you do nothing to support the lawn, you can cause damage that your lawn will never recover from, even years down the road. I hope this video has been helpful. At Stewart's, we do our best to change our formulas consistently to meet the seasons, to meet changing conditions. We're a Utah company, and we want to make sure that we give your lawn exactly what it needs.